Hello technology lovers, hope you're all having a great day and welcome to another video from Technology Gym. All the doubts we had regarding OnePlus 5 are being clarified as we are getting closer to OnePlus 5 launch. Yesterday I made a video about OnePlus 5 headphone jack and announced my first giveaway. Whereas today I have brought you some interesting news about the fingerprint sensor in OnePlus 5. I will tell you all about it, but just before that, I'm Prajwal from Technology Gym and let's get started. Welcome back friends. First of all, I would like to inform you about a giveaway which I announced yesterday. This is the first giveaway of my channel and I am giving away Amazon gift cards. So please do participate in it and here are its simple rules. Remember guys, you need to fulfill all this criteria to be eligible for the giveaway and it started yesterday, which is on May 23rd, 2017 and will last till May 30th. The rules are pretty simple guys. You need to subscribe to our channel. If you have already subscribed, that's completely fine, you are already eligible. Secondly, you must comment on one of the videos posted between May 23rd to May 30. Remember, more you comment, more chances you have to win the contest. You can comment on multiple videos as well. Last but not the least, follow our channel page on Twitter. This is very important because I'll be announcing the winners on Twitter as well. If you have done all this, then that's it. You have entered the contest and you can relax till the announcement of results. So all the best guys. If you want to know more information like how the winners are chosen and how they will be getting their gift cards, I will leave an annotation at the end of this video. Click on it and you will be able to get all the info. At the same time, if you want me to do more giveaways like this, then hit that thumbs up button and show your support. With that being said, now let's concentrate on the topic in hand about OnePlus 5. Yesterday our doubts about OnePlus 5 headphone jack was cleared as Carl Pei answered with his tweet cryptically. Now OnePlus CEO Pete Lau, also known as Liu Zuohu, has spoken about the upcoming flagship killer. Till date we were bombarded by varieties of rumors about the OnePlus 5 fingerprint sensor. Some of them predicted it will be at the back of the device, whereas others suggested it will be at the front. But finally now OnePlus CEO Lau has confirmed that OnePlus 5 will come with a fingerprint sensor at its front. So that's another question answered about OnePlus 5 guys. I think this is more of a personal preference whether to have fingerprint sensor at the rear or at the front of the device, and it differs from person to person. But as I was reading in my comment section below, most of the people wanted it at the front of the device, so I think you guys are happy now. I personally prefer fingerprint readers at the front because most of the time if your phone is lying on your bed or if it's on your table, you don't want to pick it up to unlock your phone every time. So that's an advantage of having fingerprint reader on the front. Lau gave this information when he was answering a query from a user on Weibo. At this moment we can recall that the latest flagship from Samsung Galaxy S8 has fingerprint sensor on its rear panel, that too at a very odd place. Many people were complaining about it in their reviews. There is one more unanswered question about OnePlus 5, which is the orientation of the dual camera setup at the rear. I hope even this question will be answered very soon. But at the end of the day, I would like to hear it from you guys about placement of fingerprint sensors in smartphones. Where do you like a fingerprint sensor to be on a smartphone? On the rear panel or at the front? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Also yesterday, OnePlus teased 4 color variants of OnePlus 5, including a very unique unicorn color variant. Let me know in the comment section below which color do you like the most. Also, a very fresh news is coming right now. First video of iPhone 8 mockup has surfaced online and I'll be definitely making a video on this shortly, so keep an eye on my channel. If you liked the video, then don't forget to give it some thumbs and let's aim for 200 likes this time. Come on guys, we can achieve it together. At the same time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I bring the latest leaks, rumors and official news from the world of technology on a daily basis, and also hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload videos. With that, hit thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe if you loved it. I'm Prajwal from Technology Gym signing off. Hope to see you all again. Until then, goodbye and thank you for watching.